I'm Kara Sheftel from Boston Document Systems. Let's talk about today, how do you clean a printer? So glad you asked. Let's talk about it. There are some components that you as a user can clean on your copier, and there are some that are best left to the professionals. Let's go through it today and I'll show you what you can do. The first thing is your scanner glass and your slit glass can be cleaned by you using a microfiber cloth that is dry. You don't want to be putting Windex or other chemicals on these places, but if your scan quality is looking a little bit off or you're getting lines on your scans, chances are this is one of the areas that you need to clean. The next place that you can clean as a user is anything that is plastic. You're going to want to turn off your device and unplug it. And then you can use a chemical that you spray on a paper towel rather than on the device itself. You would never want to directly spray anything on your copier. You can use like a Windex or a light cleaner, and you can wipe down any of the plastic components just to keep it clear. The final place where you would never ever want to put a chemical is right here on this screen. Because over time, these screens have membranes in them that can degrade with the use of cleaners. So you're going to want to use something, again, like a microfiber cloth to wipe down this area. For more questions to be answered about any of your print technology, you can reach us at bdsdoc.com or like and follow this channel. Also, don't clean the inside on your own. You just call the number on your device and a certified technician can do that for you using all of their technology. And never use canned air.